Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Riot Games application and type in riotgames.com in the address bar and press enter if you're on your PC. You will then be taken into the official Riot Games website. Now, in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now, if you have connected your Facebook, Google, your Apple, Xbox, or PlayStation account, you can click on the respective buttons to log in through these credentials. Otherwise, just type in your username within the username section, followed by your account password underneath within the password box. If this is your private device, then you can check on the Stay Signed In box. Otherwise, leave the box as it is and click on the Login button. And now you will be logged in to your account on Riot Games right away. You can now immediately start using it and start enjoying your games. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.